full throttle na si Air Force Ellis para sa kanyang unang Slam and Gemma.
Chris Ellis on the run contra Cardona. Oh! Air Force Ellis has finally taken flight here in the Philippine Basketball Association.
He has arrived, partner. Air Force Ellis.
That gives Ginebra a 12-point lead.
Marakael.
Oh! Back slam for Air Force Ellis.
He needed that. He needed that for his confidence, and the team needed that to get them out of that funk.
At number 2, nakuha ni Chris Ellis ang steal. Tapos, dumiretso na sa kanyang flight to the ring.
Ellis with a steal. Air Force Ellis with a tomahawk.
What energy ang pinapakita ni Chris Ellis.
Nakita mo yung binte? Air Jordan yun ah.
Look at this. Air Force Ellis. Yun nga. Alam mo yung mahirap doon sa ginagawa ni Chris Ellis? Yung pag-angat niya.
Galit na galit. Ito si Chris Ellis. Parang may atraso yung...
At ang ating top play, muling babanat si Air Force Ellis. Ngayon naman ay isang reverse windmill exclamation point dunk para tapusin ang comeback sa rain or shine.
Ellis with the exclamation point here at the Big Dome.
Oh, what a reverse. A Slam and Gemma by Air Force Ellis.
And basket is good. Para dito kay Chris Ellis.
Pumapangalawa naman si Air Force Ellis sa kanyang blurring spin move kontra kay Jason Castro.
Here's Ellis. Can't teach hops.
Everything but the shot for Air Force Ellis. He gets it right back.
He's not gonna miss this one.
Ellis, throws it down. Despite the chase from Alex Malyari.
Malyari needs to protect the ball a little better against a guy like Chris Ellis.
Talk about making.
Doesn't go. Rushing the shot on that play. Ito na ang Barangay Ginebra. Chris Ellis on the jam! In the face of Nick Pinisi. Gets the foul too. And Nick Pinisi saying, hey, no foul. What up with that? You knew that was coming. Kakasabi ko lang. Inaantay, inaabangan. So 2 straight spectacular shots from the Barangay Ginebra players. Boom! Dito ginawa.
Chris Ellis did the right thing going hard.